How to prove fault in a slip and fall case. While slip and fall cases are unfortunately somewhat common, but proving liability or fault is not always straightforward. While laws vary somewhat from state to state, there's generally 4 things you need to prove to demonstrate fault or liability in a slip and fall case. Now, the first thing you need to prove is that there was a dangerous condition on the property. This could be anything from a wet floor, defective stairs, uneven pavement, or holes in pavement. The key is that the condition must have been an unreasonable risk of harm to anyone on the property. Now, second, you'll need to show that the property owner or occupier knew or should have known about the dangerous condition. Now, this is often the most challenging part to prove. You'll need evidence that the owner was aware of the hazard, such as previous complaints, or that the condition had existed long enough that they should have discovered it through regular inspections. For instance, if you're at a grocery store and there's some grapes that fell on the floor and you slipped on the grapes, well, if you dropped them and slipped on them, they were not there long enough for the owner to have discovered it through regular inspections. But if they had been there for 6 hours and nobody had gone through to clean or inspect, they might have a problem. Now, the third thing you need to demonstrate is that the property owner failed to take reasonable steps to fix the hazard or warn visitors about it. And fixing the hazard is pretty self-explanatory, and a warning would be putting up wet floor signs or yellow tape or something to show people that there's a problem here and they should avoid it. And finally, the fourth thing you need is to show that the dangerous condition directly caused your injuries. This means you need medical records, witness statements, and possibly expert testimony to link your fall to the medical treatment that you received. So if you've got all 4 of these, you've probably got a slip and fall case. If you have questions about slip and fall cases and you happen to be in the state of Nevada where I practice law, please feel free to give me a call or drop me an email.